Hi, excuse me. How you doing?
Fine, thank you.
My name's Ronnie. I'm a portrait street photographer.
Right.
I take pictures of people all across London to show the diversity and the magicalness of people in London. And
Right.
I really like the way you look. I was wondering if I could very quickly take a portrait of you.
Portrait?
Yeah. Can I show you my work? Can I show you? Yeah. So I'll show you my work so you don't think I'm some kind of weirdo just taking pictures of people. So this is my work. I take portraits of people all across London.
Okay.
And what I've started doing, I've started to film my interactions with people.
Right.
So it shows my approach.
Right.
Shows me talking to them.
Right.
Explaining what I do, and then at the end of the little video, I show a little picture.
Yeah.
And I think you've got an amazing look. I was wondering if I could quickly take a couple of portraits of you.
Yeah, it's an honor.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's an honor.
Yeah. What's your name, brother?
Andre.
Andre. I'm Ronnie.
Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Nice to meet you.
Beautiful day, huh?
Very beautiful.
Okay. Where's the sun? Okay. Yeah, just look straight at me. Amazing. Amazing. Give us a little smile, Andre. Nice. Yo, that's beautiful, man. And then just turn a little bit sideways for me. Yeah, and then turn your head this way. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Amazing, brother. You could be a model, you know, Andre. Yeah, man, I'm telling you. Look towards the camera 1 second, Andre. Yeah, powerful. I'm telling you, Andre, you could be a model, my friend. Look at that.
Yeah.
Nice. Really nice. And all of these are pictures from today of people.
Right.
Just random people across London. Show diversity.
It's beautiful.
Show that people are friendly, you know?
Very friendly, yeah.
Like if you just say hello, introduce yourself, people are receptive. But people think that London's a scary place, but
I guess it's society's message in a way, you know.
Hey, it depends how you. Yeah, it depends. Yeah. No, I totally agree with you, and it also depends how you approach people as well.
Right. I guess so. I think the thing is, there's a war to show that it's like a weapon.
Yes.
Like while you're approaching me type thing. But if you're being yourself whilst you're approaching somebody, especially someone like me, it's like okay, because your approach is different.
Yeah.
But you'd be surprised if it was somebody the same colour, it's very different.
What do you mean? What do you mean same colour? Like
if it was somebody the same colour as me that would come and approach me, because I have a different mindset now, I understand. But before it's like it's almost like a fight.
Yeah. You're pre-programmed to think that it might be aggressive.
Yeah.
So you're a little bit defensive already, and then that person picks up on the defensiveness, and they're a bit more.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
But that mindset it takes a lot of strength to change that mind, to reset that mind.
Yeah.
I know we're all the same.
We're all the same. Under this skin, we're all the same. We all come from the same place.
We're all the same. We're all wired the same way. Man, woman.
But what you were saying before is a lot to do with media as well, and the government. They like to separate us.
Of course, that's how
they make coloured people look a certain way, make white people look a certain way. Have the Jewish people over there controlling everyone, and it's. They like divide, because if they say we're all one, then the people get too powerful. But if they divide us, we just stay fighting amongst ourselves, and we stay down there. It's
a slavery mentality. You have to overcome it.
Yeah.
It's not even, when I say slavery, I don't even mean. I mean in terms of control, being controlled.
Yeah.
Like against your own will.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
For our society, for people our colour, they figure out that we like women. So what tends to happen is, in our environment, there's a lot of competition between men because you're fighting against the same women. You know what I mean? Trying to impress, buy the thing, you know. And they just boost up the economy. There's a lot of way they make money, but you just have to be smart and very diligent, aware to know that this isn't it. There's a better life.
There's a better life. There's a better life out there, man. What's your passion? What do you?
Football.
Football.
Yeah.
How old are you?
22.
You're 22. You're a young man. So you play ball?
Yeah, I do play football.
Yeah, like semi-pro or Saturday league, Sunday league, or
run amateur. I went back to amateur to go back up. I was playing semi-pro football, but obviously I had a few issues back then. Yeah. So I came back to the bottom to go back to the top.
Yeah. What position you play?
Right winger.
Right winger. Yeah. Nice. So, I used to play a lot of ball when I was younger.
Oh, yeah?
I used to play semi-pro. Played for Southall, played for Greenford, but then like I got an injury and just didn't recover from it, man.
It's the same thing. I got ACL when I was 18.
Oh yeah.
But obviously I said, you know what, there's nothing else. I can do other things, but I'd rather stick to what I love.
Yeah.
Football, whether that be semi-pro, professional, amateur, as long as I'm playing consistently.
Yeah. Do it, bro. Stick to it. Stick to it, because like when I was younger, when I was like 22, I'm 40. I'm what am I now? 43. Yeah. When I was younger, I thought I had all the time in the world. Right. I thought that time would never run out. I had trials for Bradford, for example. Right. When I was like 16 or something, and I didn't have anyone to take me. Like my uncle, my auntie, they couldn't take me. Everyone, there was a big family event on the same day, and everyone went to the family event. Right. And I thought, another opportunity will come. Don't worry about it. I asked people, you know. That was the last one. Nothing else. But I thought at 16, I thought I had all the time in the world.
So the opportunity comes every
20 years gone. Like when that opportunity comes, fucking grab it with both hands and take it. God will have your back. God will have your back.
Yeah, I believe in that. I believe in opportunity. Like it's right there, but sometimes it comes with challenges. It comes with people telling you not go that way, knowing that you have to go through it by yourself.
You have to listen to your heart.
Yeah.
You have to listen to your heart. And that other person that's telling you no, they got their own journey. We can't all be footballers. No. We can't all be writers or singers or whatever. Everyone has to follow their own heart. Because if you follow somebody else's path, you're not gonna feel happy.
100%. I was doing that, but I left my friends. I understood. I had the understanding and wisdom, so I said, you know what, let me just follow my own path. Because we're all going to this destination anyway.
We all come from the same place. We all go back to the same place. Yeah, man. Do you want to follow me on Instagram?
I don't have Instagram.
Oh, you don't have it? Okay, no problem.
I don't have no social media. Yeah.
Respect to you, brother.
I'm really underdog right now, working myself up.
Yeah, respect.
But I really like your work.
Thank you, my man.
Like photos as well. It's nice. I take a lot of pictures of the sky. I go to the park.
I
take Greenwich Park. I take pictures.
That
was when I had when I was strong again. I just started to explore more. So I'm about to buy a new camera. And I had a camera, but it's good what you're doing.
I like it. It's like right now, I could have just walked past, and we'd never know each other. And now we stop. 5 minutes later, we know each other. We had a good interaction, and we create art as well.
Facts.
And then I'll put that on social, and other people see it, and it's like, oh wow, you know, it gives them a good feeling, and it shows that people are approachable. You know, so it's.
What made you approach me? What did you? What was it like? Did you ask yourself like?
Excuse me, pal. Sorry to bother you. My name's Ronnie. I'm a portrait street photographer. I'm doing a little project where I go across the world and I take pictures of everyday people to show the beauty of humanity and the diversity of humanity. I love your style. You look amazing. I was wondering if I could take a portrait picture of you very quickly. Can I show you my work?
Sure, but I need to run to work. So
it's going to be super. It'll literally take like a minute. So I take pictures of people all across the world and show diversity of humanity. I started recording the interactions with people and posting it up, and it's to show that people are very approachable as well, and everybody has beauty in them. So could I take your portrait very quickly?
If you insist. I mean,
it's up to you. It's totally. I don't want to force you. It's totally up to you.
That's alright. You can go ahead. Yeah. But I don't have to do anything.
No, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to do anything. You look amazing, man.
Oh, thank you.
What's your background?
I'm from Egypt.
Egypt.
That's it.
Wow. What's your name?
Mo.
Mo. Go on, carry on smoking, Mo. Have a smoke.
Really?
Yeah. Go for it. Go for it. Let out a big puff of smoke. Amazing. I'm just gonna get one from a bit lower down.
I hope no one sees me from work.
Don't worry. Explain to them. You're amazing, man.
Get him in, my friend. Get him in. Lovely.
Do you have Instagram?
I don't.
You
but-
don't? Do you want a copy of these at all? I mean, that looks amazing, man.
What is your Instagram? Thank you.
If you got your phone, you can take a picture of it if you want. So this is my handle. Can you see it?
Yeah. Lovely.
Thanks, Mo. Thanks for your time.
No problem.
You're
at all.
amazing.
Pleasure, mate.
You're a
And
beautiful
you.
man.
Thank you.
You take care. Have a good day.